In this video, I will demonstrate how to deploy and configure Azure Bastion to connect to Contoso VM1. The first step I take is to extend the virtual network that is associated with Contoso VM1. I do that by going into the properties of Contoso VM1 and selecting the virtual network, selecting address space, and then adding an additional address space, in this case 10.1.1.0/24. I select Save. This is necessary because I must create a special subnet called the Azure Bastion subnet. This name is required because when I configure Azure Bastion, it looks specifically for a subnet with this name. I select OK, and that subnet is provisioned. Now that the virtual network against which Contoso VM1 is connected is configured, I can configure a Bastion instance. To do this, I go to the virtual machine properties, I select Connect, and I select Bastion. Azure informs me that Bastion is not present, and I have the option of using Bastion. I select Use Bastion, and it provides me with a page to configure Bastion details. It gives the Bastion instance an automatic name. It selects that subnet I just created. It selects that a new public IP address will be created, that the existing resource group will be used, and it selects the subscription and location. I select Create, and it creates a Bastion instance. The notification appears that the Bastion instance is being created, and after several minutes, the notification informs me that Bastion has been created. I then provide the username for the virtual machine, which in this case is Prime. I put in the password for the virtual machine, and I select Connect. A new browser tab is opened, and the Bastion connection is displayed in this browser tab. This is a remote desktop instance running in a browser. I get the properties of the local server, and the page displays that I am connected to Contoso VM1.